The iSchool is my school.
Data isn't information until you do something with it. And figuring out what to do with it sounds really simple, but that's the hard part, right? You throw in people, organizations, processes, different types of technology, and understanding how to put those all together is where the magic lies.
The hammer of Thor.
Monica McCool works at software company Vertifor. She started her career in banking, but wanted more expertise in using technology to leverage information. Monica enrolled in the University of Washington iSchool's Master of Science in Information Management Mid-Career program.
In today's business and organizational environment, it's crystal clear that those who survive and succeed are those who manage and leverage information best.
MSIM offers a choice of several specializations. Monica chose information architecture.
Where's that release? How's it coming?
To be able to look at a business problem and look at it from all the aspects of business, not just the bottom line dollars or not just the product itself, but the entire experience of a product and a company for a customer. That's what you get from the MSIM program.
This was a high point in Ross Brain's career, the opening of the new intellectual house on the UW campus. He'd been working on the project for almost 8 years.
I really like building things. It's fun, it's fun to go from an idea and from this being a parking lot to now a multi-million-dollar building that we're in charge of.
Space, alt, 7 letters to actually spell smart house.
In order to become director of the new facility, Ross needed a master's degree. When he enrolled in the Mid-Career MSIM program at the iSchool, he focused on project management.
When I got involved in the project management courses, it became a lot more clear what I was doing. And I continue to use that now since we're starting phase 2, which is going to be $8 to $10 million. And so I'll be able to have a more clear plan for the project and then actually make sure that we have solutions to risk that we may run into.
Flexibility is key to the mid-career program, with classes on nights and weekends. For Ross, that flexibility was essential when he had 3 major events scheduled on the same day.
The Tribal Leadership Summit is an annual event where we invite 45 nations to come and meet with the president. At the same time, we're opening the facility. At the same time, my papers were due.
His professor allowed him to make his final presentation on a different day.
And I just thought that was so amazing that Annie was able to accommodate me in that time when I really needed the help. And so when you say the iSchool is my school, that's absolutely true.
Hey Mom, how are you? Good.
Heather Harris is a working mom with a background in electrical and computer engineering. The MSIM program is helping take her career to a new level.
In the mid-career program, it's really the ability to sort of tailor the program to their personal career interests.
The iSchool's MSIM program has a data science and analytics specialization track. And as many businesses are now moving towards data-driven decision-making, this program not only equips you as a leader in information systems and information organizations, but it gives you what I call the technical chops in data science.
The benefit of the MSIM degree would be taking somebody that's already seasoned and adding in to the mix leading edge knowledge of where the marketplace is going around things like big data. And I think the broadness of the MSIM degree is a far more interesting set of capabilities than what I would typically get from an MBA student.
Mid-career students work closely with each other on projects.
And we're all professionals, so it's an amazing networking opportunity too. We can bring in how we're applying what we're learning in our workplaces and really challenge each other and help each other to grow in our own application of what we're learning.
Some mid-career students, like Heather, are able to broaden their work experience through internships. Another benefit is the diverse, multidisciplinary faculty at the iSchool.
The professors really do care about the students, and you can see that they're passionate about what they're teaching, and they actually have industry experience and knowledge themselves. The iSchool MSIM program is a great combination of both developing the technology savvy that you need for these emerging technologies, as well as the business and management acumen that you will also need. I think really it is one of the best programs, not just in the country, but the world.
Thank you.
The iSchool is my school.